Hello, children. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well. So, in the previous video, we have already completed the explanation and the exercise part of this chapter of the Bell of Atri. So, today we are going to discuss the question answer part of this chapter. Are you getting it? So, let's begin. Let's have a look. First, we will do the in-text question. In-text questions are the questions which are given while we were reading the chapter. Okay, let's have a look. The first question they have asked us is, give 3 example of when the bell was rung. Answer is, the bell was rung when someone stole the farmer's sheep, when someone ate grandmother's fruit pie without her permission, and when a bully teased a child. Let's come to the second question. How do you think people can get rusty? Answer, people can get rusty when they stop working hard. Let's come to question number 3. How do you think you would get rusty if you do not use magic words like please, thank you and sorry? Answer is, please, thank you and sorry are polite words, and when we do not use them, we become rusty, which means hard and rough. So, question number 4. Why were there no people in the streets? So, the answer is, there were no people in the streets because it was very hot that afternoon. Question number 5. How do you think the judge spoke to the soldier? Strictly, kindly, or jokingly? So the answer would be, the judge spoke to the soldier strictly. Let's come to the reference to context part. So here let's see the first question. What was King John well known for? So the answer would be, King John was well known for his goodness and wisdom. Let's come to the next question. Which word is the opposite of foolishness? The word cleverness is the opposite of foolishness. But see, what the king ordered for the town of Atri? I hope you all remembered, na? The king ordered a great bell for the town of Atri. Question 4, bit A. Whose horse is this? Whose horse it was? This was the soldier's horse. Bit B. Which 2 words describe the horse? The word sad and old describe the horse. Bit C. Why was the horse looking for something to eat? So the answer would be, the horse was looking for something to eat because the soldier was not feeding him properly and he was hungry. So let's come to read, reflect and write. So here the first question is, why did the bell ring less and less? So the answer is, whenever the people of Atri thought of doing something wrong, they changed their mind, thinking of the sound of the bell. So the bell rang less and less. Question 6. Why did the soldier stop feeding his horse? So the answer would be, the soldier stopped feeding his horse because he thought the horse had gone old and he hardly ride on him. Whenever you face problem while writing, children, you can pause the video at any moment. Question 7. How did the judge correct the wrong done by the soldier to his horse? Answer, the judge ordered the soldier to take care of his horse. He also suggested that the horse should be given plenty of oats, a warm stable and a green field to graze in. Next question. What are the good qualities that the judge had? Answer, the judge was just, fair, strict, and generous. Okay, question number 9. The theme is the heart of the story. Theme means what is the message the author wants to give us, the moral message. Okay, and what do you think is the theme of the story, and what would the author like us to learn? So the answer is, the theme of the story is being fair, kind, and just to all human beings on earth. The author wants us to give justice whenever we do any wrong to others. We should always be just and fair. As I told you when we began the chapter, while explanation video in the previous video, as while beginning the chapter, I already told you na, we always have to be just. So we have finished up with this chapter, The Bell of Atri. I hope you all like the video.